Hey guys, hi and hello, welcome to my channel Divide and Conquer with Radha. In today's session, we are going to solve a basic sum related to trigonometrical ratios. From the following figure, find the values of sine A, cos A, cot A, secant C, cosecant C and tan C. The first three subdivisions are related to acute angle A and the next three subdivisions are related to acute angle C. So I'll be solving the sum in two parts. Let's get started. As per the figure, the two sides of the triangle are given. We need to calculate the third side, which is the hypotenuse. So using Pythagoras theorem, we are going to calculate AC. So AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. As per the theorem, hypotenuse squared is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Now substituting the value, we have 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25. So AC is equal to square root of 25. AC is equal to 5. So let's mark the value on the hypotenuse side. So side AC is equal to 5. We need to calculate the trigonometrical ratio for acute angle A. Now if you notice, the acute angle A and the 90-degree angle are on the side AB. So AB becomes our base. BC becomes our perpendicular and side AC becomes our hypotenuse. So sine A, it's calculated using the ratio perpendicular to hypotenuse. Substituting the values, we have 4 by 5. Therefore, sine A is equal to 4 by 5. Similarly, cos A is the ratio between the base and hypotenuse. So base is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. So cos A is equal to 3 upon 5. Now moving on to cot A. Cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. Tan is nothing but the ratio between perpendicular and base. So we are going to reciprocate. It becomes base by perpendicular. So base is 3 and perpendicular is 4. Therefore cot A is equal to 3 upon 4. Now, we are supposed to calculate the trigonometrical ratios for acute angle C. So, let's mark the acute angle C. Now, if you notice, the acute angle C and the 90-degree angle are lying on the side BC. So, BC becomes our base, AB becomes our perpendicular and AC becomes our hypotenuse. So, now secant C is defined as the ratio between hypotenuse and base. So substituting the value of hypotenuse, we get 5 by 4. It's an improper fraction. Let's convert it into mixed fraction. On converting, we get 1 upon 4. Therefore, secant C is equal to 1 upon 4. Now, cosecant C is the ratio between the hypotenuse and perpendicular. So, substituting the values, we have hypotenuse is equal to 5 and perpendicular is equal to 3. This is an improper fraction. So upon converting to mixed fraction, we get 2 upon 3. Therefore, cosec C is equal to 2 upon 3. Now moving on to tan C. Tan is the ratio between the perpendicular and base. So substituting the values, we have perpendicular is equal to 3 and base is equal to 4. So, tan C is equal to 3 by 4. The only thing that you need to remember and you need to be very careful is to figure out which is the base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Always remember the side which has the acute angle and the 90-degree angle is considered to be the base, and the longest side, that is the side that is opposite to right angle, is your hypotenuse, and the side opposite to your acute angle is your perpendicular. I hope the basics of trigonometrical ratios are clear. In case of any queries, please do post them in the comment section. We'll certainly try and respond. There'll be a couple of videos posted from this particular topic in the forthcoming days. So keep the notifications on. Please do like, share and subscribe.